As a trader, you have to be super fast. When I say fast, you have to be good at switching time frame, looking what's going on and whatnot, because the markets are fast, especially Nasdaq is super fast compared to ES. Now, well, let's break this straight down. So why did I went long here? I took my profits right there, partial and the final profit. Now, first of all, 9:30 open, we traded in it, trade lower into where? Into this gap, this gap. All right. Now we look at 3 minutes. Is that gap still there? Yep, right there. That gap is still there. 5 minutes. Is that gap there? Yep, right there. 5 minutes as well. 15 minutes as well. 15 minutes. Let's go 1 hour. Again. Look at that. See, guys, time is fractal. Don't make excuses. Be like, oh yeah, I trade on seconds, I trade on daily. It's all same. It's all fractal. Now, 9:41. Create an SMT. Time. Think about it. Why did I enter right there? It's all time then price, guys. Now, why did I went low right there? All right, why? First of all, look at the left side. What is the lower candle between all of this? It's this one. This is what we call break block. Now, we gotta mark that out. As soon as the body closed above, you see that? I enter right at this candle. The market traded down to where? You guys remember in my last video where I talked about fair value gaps? Many people misunderstand it. But see this? There's a, let me zoom in. Look at that. There is an imbalance. All right, you got to mark it out. Let's make it clear. Right there, okay? That is exactly why I pyramided. I entered again. And the market created this gap, tapped, go higher, take my partial right here. Why? Because this is the true micro session open, TSMCO, TSMSO. And then again, partials. Initially, drawn liquidity was up there. Beautifully. Where was it? This high. Why this high? Why is the market reversing, by the way? By the way, you don't need this capture, you don't need to go crazy. Let's go 1 hour time frame. Why that partial right there? This buy side was super crucial, important. Why? Because you see this imbalance? Not this one, the one next to it. This is important imbalance. Why? Let me mark it out. Plus the imbalance, right there. Because we took out with that this high. And then this is like total soup, and then we come down, we didn't took out this high. If you look at the ES, yeah, YM, yeah, there's an SMP with YM, between YM and Nasdaq and ES. So guys, beautiful, quick breakdown, nice trade. I hope you got something from this. By the way, why did the market trade it down? It's because this is the first present of fair value gap. Expect market have something like this. As you guys saw in my trading execution trade, I enter right there, moved my stop below this low. Why this? This is also important. See how the candles are respecting, trading back, and then go higher. And then I moved my stop somewhere right there because this is important. See how the market respecting it. Bang bang again here. Tap higher, go lower probably. So guys, hope you got something from this. Let me know what questions you have and leave a like, comment, subscribe, guys. See you next time.